Hey guys, I just passed my Part 107 test a few minutes ago. I wanted to help you guys out a little bit. It really wasn't that bad. I scored an 82%. I studied for maybe a week. I studied with an array of different materials. I really didn't just use one source. I was reading online, a lot of people were getting a lot of the sectional charts all over their tests, and I think I got pretty lucky with my selection, but I got a lot pertaining to emergencies and stuff like that. If you were to have an emergency, what do, whatever, and the answer to that kind of stuff is okay, just land your drone safely, whatever. And then I had another question about drinking alcohol, because you aren't supposed to fly your drone if you've been drinking alcohol within the last 8 hours. But basically says you were drinking alcohol over 8 hours ago, but you still have a hangover. Is it okay to, fly your drone, whatever? And I believe the answer to that would be no. You weren't right in the head. You're not good to go. But yeah, I had a few on emergencies. I really only had a few sectional charts, which was really surprising. I think if I had anything else, what else did I have on there? I had one of those, the clouds at 800 feet. How far are you allowed to fly up? You can go up to 300 feet. You gotta stay 500 feet below the clouds. It really wasn't that difficult. I had one of the flags on a sectional chart, and it was what is that flag used for? And I think it's some kind of checkpoint. You might want to look into that. I don't remember what the exact answer was. Let's see if there's anything else I can help you guys out with. I really didn't get, I don't think I got any about, hey, find the longitude and latitude of, this point or whatever. I really didn't get any of those. But yeah, I had a handful on emergencies. I can't think about all of them. I got one about how much is the drone allowed to weigh. It has to be under 55 pounds and more than 0.55 pounds, whatever. And then there were a few questions on remote ID. It's all the newer stuff. I know you can look it up online. It's somewhere in the FAA website. And then there's also some new things about flying over people that I studied for. I really don't think I saw any of those questions. But yeah, it's really not that hard. Pick the most kind of conservative answer, just be smart with all your choices. You can normally eliminate one of the wrong answers. So I was playing a 50-50 game and all the ones that I wasn't sure about, but you'll honestly do good. It wasn't the end of the world. There's not that many trick questions. I only studied for a week. I put in maybe an hour a day. Well, that's probably too much. 30 minutes a day for a week, whatever, and I was good. So best of luck to you guys. Hope this helps out a little bit, just because this was a most recent version of the test that I just took, and you'll be fine.